you edit your photos and you're going to export it, and while it's time to post, you notice that there's a degrade in the quality. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export high quality pictures in Lightroom. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the application itself and let's choose this photo over here. So yeah, that's not too much. So we've already edited it. So let's go to the top corner, and here you can just say copy to device. So instead of clicking to this, we are going to click at the side option here, and it will lead you to this. And here you can change the settings, like you want to do in JPG, so let's keep it to JPG since it's the best file type. And you can also choose whether you want small or custom. So if you want it to post in social media and stuff, you can choose the small option, but yeah, let's leave it like that. And here is the important part. The image quality is up to 90%. Let's make it up to 100. And there's more option, like let's not do anything about that. So this is the export settings. So once you click on that, you are done. So if you tap in saving, and this is how you export high big qualities. And thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.